How to build credit score as a new immigrant in the USA. Welcome to Finance Nest USA. Are you new to the United States and confused about how to start building your credit score? Don't worry. Today, we'll break it down step by step in simple language so you can start strong financially in your new life. Step 1. Get a Social Security number, SSN. Your credit journey starts with getting an SSN. It's required to track your credit history. If you're not eligible for SSN, you can apply for an ITIN, Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. Step 2. Apply for a secured credit card. As a new immigrant, it's hard to get a regular credit card, but a secured credit card is easy to get. You deposit some money, and that becomes your limit. Use it for small purchases and always pay on time. Step 3. Pay bills on time. Every time, your payment history is 35% of your credit score. Even one missed payment can hurt your score badly. Set auto payment reminders and stay consistent. Step 4. Keep credit usage below 30%. If your card limit is $500, don't use more than $150. Low usage shows you're responsible and boosts your credit faster. Step 5. Check your credit report regularly. Use websites like Credit Karma or annualcreditreport.com to track your score. This helps you see your progress and correct any errors. Building credit takes time, but you've got this. Stay smart, stay consistent, and subscribe to Finance Nest USA for more beginner-friendly money tips. Your financial journey in America starts here.